Hey guys, so it's Bia again. Today I'm going to show you how to do lino printing. So I am going to get started by showing you what I have done before. So I have these which I've used before, and I still keep using them because I need so I have cut this with the special lino cutting tools and using the lino cutting material. So if I think I have okay, yeah, this is just like the material. This is not worked on, it's just cut out because I had other things here. So from the back it looks like this, and from the front it's really smooth, and you always cut on the front. Now I looked everywhere and I could not find the tools. I don't know where they went, they disappeared, I have no idea. I looked in every corner. You know that situation where the thing that you need, you can never find it. But then when you don't need it, you find it, and it's just so annoying. So I don't know what happened to it. I am going to keep trying to look for it so I can make a video on how you can cut it and what you need to do. But today I'll just show you the process of printing. So you have this, you have cut it, you have done your design, you have, I don't know, a giraffe, a panda, whatever. So what we're gonna do after you have that, you have it cut like I have it here, and these are all flowers, so they're all like tropical kind of theme. And I am going to lino print. Or if you have seen my video on how to make monoprint, you should go watch it if you haven't yet. When you're going to print, you need to make sure like you give your what's this tube thing, you give it like a massage, because the pigments and the liquid, that like the oil or whatever, maybe they've been detached from each other because maybe you've left them out for, like you've left it just laying there for a very long time and they just separated, or so you need to make sure you do that, and then you do that with your yellow one as well. So starting, you get your ink. I prefer to open it like this. Also, if you want to know, if you want to get these, I will put a link in the description or where you can get them from, and they should have like all the different colors that you need. So I will get some blue. Oh my god, I think I exaggerated on the blue. That was a bad idea. And I will get some yellow. Whoa! See, the yellow is really liquidy. It's like really oily. See that? I don't know if you can see it because it might be a bit far away, but it's not mixed properly. So if that's not enough, I'll keep adding. But so you do this. Usually you stand up so you can get all your strength down on the table, and you do that. You can see, look at that color, it's so nice. Such a nice color. I might have to add some more yellow because it looks like it's looking too much like turquoise. So if my assistant would like to open up the yellow.
Like this?
Yes.
Oh.
See, remember I told you not to put too much paint? I just did that. And see what happens. Now I have too much paint on the table, and I have to stretch it all the way far away. So I will add some yellow, just a little bit. I think it's also because the yellow is really liquidy, so that's why it's maybe the paint's more liquidy today. That's why. If I need it again, I'll tell my assistant to give it a massage. So you have this here, and you have your little petal, what's this? A
leaf.
I'm sorry, I can't speak English properly. See why I said I need a smaller roller? Like, this is too big for things that are really small like this. Oh my god.
You can use this side.
Oh my god. Work.
Tie it back.
So you're gonna roll that. Here we go. We have this, and we're going to this is kind of like a stamp, so come on, go to your paper and just press it down. Usually you can also use a roller to help you press it down, to like do that. Like sometimes I punch it, I just like punch the table, whatever. I think there's special things that you can use to actually do lino printing. But I don't have them, so that I have to do manually. So go back to your paint, roll it on it once again. And we have to roll it outside of the thing, outside of the camera view, because there's no space. So here we go again. You put it down, smack it, punch it, rub it. You know what you can do if you can turn it around. You can see, like it's underneath it, and I'm just gonna press it down like that. So you can do that, and then you turn it back around, and then you can do that. There you go. So I'm just gonna do one more, and then I will show you how it looks like with all the green. So So, green leaves, and I've got them here. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to repeat the process, but I'll do it with the pink flower and the blue one and and the yellow one and the blue one. I'm sorry, I can't see properly. Oh yeah, and this one as well. This is like a really nice tropical flower. So I'm gonna get to it. I will let you enjoy the video, and I will come back when I'm done. Okay? Okay, so basically, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. This is how it turned out at the end. It's not very, very like amazing, but it shows you what you can do. I'm pretty sure you could do better than this. This is just a tutorial to show you how you do it. And yeah, subscribe for more, and I'm just gonna leave that there. Make sure you comment down below if you want me to do anything else. And actually, I might do I will do a video on how you cut the lino, okay? And I'll show you the free step. I think it's reduction. It's called like reduction something. I will tell you the terms when I come to the video. Okay? So I will see you next time. Bye.